Hi guys, this is my CS50 commerce project. So I'll walk you through the required functionalities, which includes creating listings, viewing active listings, bidding, watch list, comments, the categories, closing auctions, and the admin interface, right? So basically, here's the active listings page where I'm showing all active listings, right? And each card here has the title, the description, the name, and then an optional image, right? So to start off with our auction site, you need to register as a user. But then, in my case, I'm already registered. So I'm simply going to log in as Presley, right? So after logging in, you can see I'm signed in as Presley. So here we have all the active listings on our page, right? And after logging in, I can now start by creating a new listing. So if you want to create a new listing, you simply enter all the details, like the title, the image URL, the description, the starting bid of your auction site, and also the category that represents your listing, right? So coming back to the active listings page, we can, by clicking a listing, it opens its details, right? For example, I'm going to click on this listing here. Let's click on it, right? So here I can add it to my watch list, but firstly I need to enter the amount, right? So I'm going to start with, let me just say 20,000 is my initial bid. This is my initial starting bid, right? And then if I'm interested in this, I can add it to my watch list, right? And here's the watch list page with my saved items. Okay, if you go to watch list, you can see now it's here in front of the watch list. This is my first watch list item that I created. And then if I want to remove it, I simply go back to the watch list, look at the details, and then remove it from. Okay, I have to enter the bid amount again. 20,000. Then I've successfully removed it to the watch list. And then if you go to the watch list section, you can see now it's empty, right? And then now I'm going to present to you bidding, right? So on the listing page, you can open any item from here. Then you can start your bid. I'm going to start my bid at 15,000, right? And then I'll add it as a bid. And then you can see at the top it says your bid was successful, and then it was updated, right? After placing a valid bid. But then if my bid was lower than 10,000, I was not going to be able to close this bid. So as the creator of this listing, I can close the auction, and once closed, the highest bidder is marked as the what? As the winner. And if the winner logs in, they'll see a message confirming they've won. So now I can simply come here and say close auction, and then you can see auction closed successfully, right? And then users can also leave a comment, for example, nice mask, and they add the comment or post it, and there we go, nice mask. You can see our comment is there. Coming back to the active listings at the top, you can see we have different categories of the masks here. For example, if I want to look at a mask that resembles wealth, I can simply click on it and then select, and then we're directed to this mask of named Kubera with its details and the image URL. With that being said, now let me show you the administration interface that's handling all the listings that we have here. So here we go. So I'm on the administration interface, logged in as Presley. As you can see, we have the bids, the categories, comments, listings, and the users, and all these categories and listings, yeah, they appear in the front end, right? And then I can also control them and add any listing or category or comments or that I want from the administration side, right?